How to fix page not adding to ManyChat. Issue: you need to connect more of your pages to ManyChat, but when you click connect, you don't see other pages in the list of choices. It means that when you first connected your Facebook account to ManyChat, you did not choose all of the pages that you manage on Facebook, but only a few of them. To connect new pages to ManyChat, you have to be the admin of these pages on Facebook. Note: editor role on FB is not enough to do that. Just click this button, then, when the account is created, click connect in the dashboard section here. In case you do not see all of the pages, please follow these steps. 1. Follow the link, https://www.facebook.com/settings tab =business_tools to access the list of business integrations of Facebook. 2. Under the ManyChat app, click view and edit to see its settings. 3. Scroll down a bit to find show a list of the pages you manage permission. Once you activate it, it should look like this. Here you can check the boxes against each of the pages you need to make discoverable in your ManyChat account. If you don't see such list of pages, don't worry, it only means the permission will be applied to all of your pages. 4. In addition to this permission, we also recommend you to activate manage your pages permissions like so. As soon as you save your settings, return to ManyChat and try to connect pages again. These permissions together should make all your pages discoverable by ManyChat, so you can always choose which ones to connect using ManyChat add new page option. In case those steps didn't solve your problem, try following. 1. Log out of the ManyChat and then log in again. 2. You might be redirected to Facebook business integration settings right away and asked to grant missing permissions. In that case, proceed to step 5. If that didn't happen, don't worry and click on add new page button in the list of your pages. Then click connect, or join, button against the page you need to connect. 3. At some point of going through step 2, you might get a warning message about missing permissions with a link taking you to Facebook business integration settings. 4. In Facebook business integration settings for ManyChat app, you should see this. The exact set of permissions may look different, but make sure that manage your pages and manage your business ones are included. Click OK to grant all permissions. You should be redirected back to ManyChat and have no further problems with connecting pages. If the aforementioned steps didn't help, please check whether you have two-factor authentication set up for the page that doesn't appear in the list. If that's the case, make sure to set up two-factor authentication for your Facebook profile following the instructions here. When two-factor authentication is enabled both for your profile and for the specific page, this page should start appearing in the list. If nothing mentioned above helped, please contact ManyChat support.